KFET took initiative and also established the College of Architecture at Paddal in the year 2004. It forms an integral part of IET Paddal, but with a separate campus. The College of Architecture provides a 5-year degree in Bachelor of Architecture. The institute has spacious lecture halls, studios and art rooms, etc., which help the students develop their creativity.
We at College of Architecture IIT Paddal focus on providing state-of-art education in the field of architecture and to create dedicated band of architects who are committed to design buildings which are eco-friendly, cost-effective and energy efficient.
Institute of Management Studies (IMS) is also a sister concern of IET Paddal and was established in the year 2007. With the slogan Mastering the Future, IMS is preparing MBA professionals with a very different course curriculum and specializations in marketing, finance and human resources. With 100% placements, the first batch of IMS is about to enter the corporate world.
We at IMS not only provide degrees but create leaders who have the sense of creativity and courage of taking initiatives. We emphasize on personality development, improving communication skills and general awareness among students.
With the objective of generating effective professionals to keep pace with the fast emerging and changing field of information technology, the Master of Computer Applications, Bachelor of Computer Applications and Bachelor of Business Administration courses have been started on the campus. Aircraft maintenance engineers have been in huge demand in the aviation industry. Keeping this demand in view, a 3-year course will soon be introduced in aircraft maintenance engineering. An on-campus active training and placement cell is striving to transform the dream of every student into reality. It plays a very important and a key role in counseling and guiding the students for their successful career placement.
The training and placement cell works towards recognizing the core competencies of the students. The cell is putting rigorous efforts to maintain high standards set up by earlier batches of the institute. By now, all eligible students have been placed in more than 27 leading companies and various other sectors.
Students from the final and pre-final year classes are assisting the training and placement cell in achieving the goal of securing placement in multinationals and global companies.
With the able guidance and motivation by my teachers, I have been able to perform well in my academic career. With the placement services available on the campus, I have secured myself a job in a top MNC Wipro.
The Institute of Engineering and Technology Paddal is going international by signing Memorandum of Understanding with various universities from Australia, Canada and the UK. These MOUs will facilitate transfer of technology related to electronics, computers and mechanical industries. The English Language Communication Laboratory has been set up in the institute to groom the personality of our students. The seminar halls with LCD facilities, group discussion rooms, tutorial rooms provide the students maximum value addition during their stay in the institute. The entire campus is a Wi-Fi zone, making laptops an essential equipment for all the students. From time to time, the different departments of the institutes organize various technical and cultural activities to bring forth the latent talent in the students. The students of Paddal campus have been excelling in extracurricular activities in various intra- and inter-college competitions.
institute, it provides excellent facilities for various games and sports. And also, we do have well-designed fields and courts. By winning the prestigious PTU Inter-College Swimming Championship 3 times in a row, we can say that the future of sports can never be bleak in this institute.
The institute maintains a medical center that is manned round the clock by qualified residential medical staff. Paddal campus, a completely self-contained universe, includes separate hostel facilities for boys and girls. Our main aim is to provide a home away from home. Their stay in the hostel enables them to imbibe different lifestyle and involves them in activities like yoga, meditation, sports, music, suitable to individual tastes and preferences. Availability of separate study rooms, hygienic and nutritious food, a pollution-free environment make them very conducive shacks for students.
Hostel of IIT Paddal is a place where we are given very pleasant, friendly and relaxing environment that enables us to study effectively as well as efficiently.
The management of IET Paddal is sensitive to the needs of his students and staff, and this also includes their transportation needs. Coming and going, traveling to and from the campus is very well taken care of by the number of buses that connect Chandigarh, Ludhiana, Mohali, Nangal, Panchkula, Patiala, Sirhind, Anandpur Sahib, Kharar, Morinda, Kurali and Ropar to the IET campus. The IET Paddal campus is a powerful source enabling the student community to think independently and to enhance knowledge. The contribution of faculty and management is essential for the growth and development of the institute. Without them, it is impossible to achieve the goals envisioned by late engineer Gurcharan Singh. We at Paddal campus are committed to turn his dreams into reality and leave an indelible mark on the canvas of history. IET Paddal, a beacon of light, striving to create bright futures.